Hi, welcome to MasterStroke. In this video, we will learn how to use one of the SWP calculators, monthly SWP for SIP. The purpose of this calculator is to find out how much monthly SWP client will get for the SIP he is doing. Let's say the current age of the client is 45 years. He wants to start SIP of 25,000 rupees today. He wants to do SIP for 15 years. So his SIP will end at the age of 60 years. Deferment period means that after the SIP ends at 60 years, he wants immediate annuity from the 61st year, or he wants to defer the annuity SWP after 60 years. For example, if you click yes and you mention 5 years, it means the SWP will start at the age of 65 years. And if you click no, SWP will start immediately after the SIP period. So let us go with no deferment period, which means immediate annuity after the end of SIP period. Client wants SIP SWP for 30 years. During the SIP period, you expect the returns, let's say 10% in scenario 1. And during the distribution period, the returns will be lower because you will convert the SIP equity funds into debt or balanced fund like that. So maybe let us say you take 6% return here. And you can also show the client the second scenario if the performance return is better, let's say 12% in SIP during accumulation. And if you want to show 7% of distribution phase SWP for 30 years. You also have a choice of mentioning the balance amount required at the end of SWP. Means if the client is starting SWP at 60 years and the period you have chosen is 30 years, so SWP will end at 90 years. So you can put any figure here how much the client wants to have the balance, which you may call as the maturity value at the end of 90 years. You have to put here an imaginary figure. Let's say you put in 50 lakh rupees. You can also mention 0. You want to show inflation in the report? Yes and no. The default option is no, but if you want to say yes, you can click yes. Then you have to put what is the inflation you expect in the next 20-30 years. Let's say you put in a figure of 5%. Do you want to show the impact of taxation and the benefit of taxation? Yes. In that case, you have to choose how much is the indexation benefit expected in the future, which the government announces through CII index every year. Generally, you can take a figure of, let's say, 3% going forward. Then what is the current short-term capital gain tax? What is the applicable long-term capital gains tax? You have to mention that for the SWP. You can make all these changes here. You have the option to enter the client name here, let's say dummy clients. You have the choice of adding suggested schemes for investment, which we will skip. You can choose the investment which you want to suggest the client to do SIP, which we will skip. We will click calculate. The report is ready. Let's download the report. So this is the report. Your logo will come here. The report says the monthly SIP is 25,000 for 15 years, which will become 1 crore at the rate of 10% and 1 crore 18 lakh at the rate of 12% after 15 years. After 15 years, the client is asking for SWP for 30 years with inflation added. Inflation you have given 5%. So the SWP amount will not be fixed. It will go up every year. So we have shown here first year average monthly SWP at the age of 61st year, 32,000 rupees if the returns are 6% and 44,000 rupees if the returns are 7%. Total withdrawal in 30 years will be 2 crore 60 lakhs or 3 crores 52 lakh rupees if the returns are 7%. This chart shows the accumulation phase projected annual investment value. So the client is investing 25,000 SIP, which is 3 lakh rupees every year for 15 years. So it says that at the rate of 10% it becomes 1 crore, at the rate of 12% it becomes 1 crore 18 lakhs. Then we come the distribution phase, SWP phase. From the 61st year, the first year SWP is 32,000, and if you see these figures are going up, which is adjusted with inflation of 5% every year, which you have assumed. And in the scenario 2, at the rate of 7%, the first year SWP is 44,000, and then these figures keep on going up as per the inflation. Beautiful report you can get. And if you see here, at the age of 90 years, the fund value is 5 lakh rupees. We have entered 5 lakh rupees as the maturity expectation, not 50 lakh there. And this is the annual tax and post-tax withdrawal. So here at the rate of 10% SWP from the 61st year, the client has to pay only 3,600 rupees as tax, although the withdrawal amount is 3,91,000. This is the beauty of SWP and mutual funds. And if the scenario is 12%, the tax payable is 5,700 rupees. So this is what this calculator is all about. Thank you so much.